Hi, I'm Loxman, and in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can schedule an email with Gmail from your web browser. And you can schedule up to 100 emails at once, and then you cannot schedule for the emails that are in confidential mode. And this is the official support article. In case you need any more information, please check the description section below. Now, once you are done composing your email, look for this blue button or the button saying send, and then look for the drop down arrow, and then when you press on it, tap on schedule send. You can choose the suggested date and time, or you can just choose any specific date and time that you want. And then once you are fine with the date and time that you have chosen, just click this button, and then it will automatically schedule the email for you. And then if you want to make any changes to the email, you can do it from the schedule tab here. If I click on here, it will take me to the scheduled emails, and then just tapping on it will open up the email content. And if I click on the cancel send button, it will open up the composer, and I can make changes here. So this is how you can make changes. And then once finishing making changes, just choose the date and time, and then it will automatically schedule for you. And then in case if you want to delete or cancel the scheduled email, just tap on cancel, and then it will be gone to the draft section, as you can see here. And you can directly delete from here, or you can go to drafts and then delete from here as well. This is it. And in case if you want to do it from the Gmail app from your phone, please check the description section below for another video. Have a nice day.